The ultimate question. Does Matt Simcoe play the finals better intoxicated?
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Thanks for joining. Oh God. Oh no. My drink backfired on all over my microphone.
What does that f***ing mean?
I was sipping it out of the straw and I pulled away as I was sipping and it shot backwards.
You don't sound indifferent.
I won't because it hit my my phone foamer.
Shut up.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not being all mediums, so.
Yes, please be a heavy so I can heal you. Or I'm gonna have to use Data Reshaper. Oh, he's also using heal, but I don't know, whatever. It doesn't hurt to have
Or
two
I'm
people.
gonna have to use Data Reshaper. Let the win! Yippee!
It's dark out with reduced visibility, but it's not bedtime for our contestants.
Shut up.
Not yet.
There's a guy over there.
Wow. That was a close one. Alright, we need to group up. Matt,
I'm
come
aware.
up here.
No. Oh, please. Give me that kill. Ah, I was hungry for it. He's invisible.
Garbage! I'm drinking so much cream right now. I'm glad I took a lactate.
Ew. Ew. Are you just drinking fucking heavy whipping cream?
Well, I used. Hello, this is Trevor from the future. To clarify, I was having a beer ice cream float using Guinness Irish Cream Stout, vanilla ice cream, and of course, mixing it together in a blender. It's really good. You should try it. Oh, I think I'm gonna do a retake of that. That sounded like shit. Nope, moving on. I like to drink cream. What can I say? That guy's gonna kill me if I try and shoot at him. I can't do this long range stuff.
I can.
Right, I'm coming with you.
Okay, I missed. Get him. Get the corner fucker.
Dude, that was so sick. I data reshaped his turret right in front of his dumb face.
Let's fuck with B. Let's fuck B.
Alright, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kobe!
Brought it down.
Alright, he's real
He's
weak.
on fire. Oh, our boy's getting fucked.
That's two.
Ah! Okay. I got Tomas.
Yeah, we got company. Kobe! I wish I had my jump pad right
Awesome
now.
zipline. Behind us, behind us, behind us.
Damn, that was fucking shit!
Tough shells as they suffer another team wipe.
I'm playing really well. It's you guys who are bad. Ugh.
Did you see my zipline? I don't know how to use
That was
this.
an awesome zipline.
The steamrollers are unlocking Vault 4. We just passed the halfway point. Heavy fire. They'll have to respond quickly.
Nice. Chase him down. He killed the guy.
The steamrollers have turned up the heat and
Get the zone, get the zone, get the zone. Yeah, fuck it. Oh, this guy's coming up the stairs.
Well, they're not gonna come up here in time.
Impressive steal by the tough shells. Catch out in progress.
Got him. Another guy coming.
Yeah, there's another one. He might be up here with me.
Oh, we got orange. Damn! Yeah, just defend the zone. Dude, pink is also here!
Watch out, space invaders above.
Oh my gosh, I'm invading
On a
space.
goon. I wanted it.
Nope, it's mine, bitch.
We got people. We got people.
Just 1
Contact.
minute remaining.
Every second counts.
A job well done by the ultra rares.
What the fuck? What?
I'm touching you.
Reloading.
All right, let's go to B.
Cash out B.
All right.
Orange is like all the way away from it.
We're in the final 30 seconds. It's all or nothing.
Got one.
Hate my life. Yeah, the last one's around the corner getting the res.
Yeah, but pink is here now too.
Seconds left.
It doesn't matter. Nothing
Oh, great
matters.
job, Pink. You stopped both of us from winning. Great job, Pink.
Our contestants learned that you better get out of the way when the steamrollers are coming through.
Well, that was a fucking horrible first round.
Display by the ultra rare.
Gotta leave the part in about the stinky.
Can't say that. Well, I mean, it's
No one's gonna believe.
it wasn't in there, but it's in there now. It's now in there. It is now in.
Just like your
All right.
said to my mother.
Oh God. Jeez. This is all unusable.
Instantly unusable.
It was unusable the second you started talking.